Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is MySQL tutorial 16. Today we are going to learn how to use SQL NOT operator, or sometimes called NOT condition. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. In my MySQL tutorial 14, I have shown you how to use AND operator, and in MySQL tutorial 15, I have shown you how to use OR operator. Now I will show you how to use NOT operator, or sometimes called NOT condition. NOT operator shows a record if the conditions is not true. In other words, when a NOT operator is used with a condition, only those rows will be selected from database which do not meet the given condition. We will use CSC database table student. Now I will use select statement to check the column and data. We have 5 column: ID, name, batch, age, postal code, and 6 row. We have column or field. Here we have 5 column: ID, name, batch, age, and postal code, and 6 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 row. Now I will do some exercise. First I will show you the syntax. Not operator, sometimes called not condition. Select star from database name dot table name where not condition. I will write the SQL statement. Selects all the fields or columns from student where batch is not 42. First select star from CSC database name dot table name student. Select star from database name CSC table name student. First executing this one. Now I will use where batch is not 42. That means number 3 and 5 batch 42 and number 542 will not be seen. If we use where where batch equal you can use single quotation. If you want do not use quotation, you can also do it. As it is integer, you can also do without single quotation if it is integer. I am using it. Select star from CSC student. Select star from database name table name where then we use not condition batch 42 where not condition is batch equal 42. I don't want to see those who have batch 42. I do not want to see. That's why I'm using this statement. I do not want to see the batch 42. Executing this one. See, ID 3 and 5 is missing. This is because I do not want to throw. That's why I've given the condition not batch equal 42. Here it is written that you have to give the condition. My condition is batch equal 42. I do not want to see the batch 44. 42. I do not want to see batch 42. That's why it is not here. Now ID 3 and ID 5. That was batch 42. Now I will do another exercise. This statement I want to see the batch is not 42 and not 41. See, I am using AND operator. In my MySQL 14, I have shown you how to use AND operator. You can also use and or with NOT operator. Now I will select star from CSC dot student where not batch equal 42 and I'm using AND operator. I can also use AND operator with NOT operator. Batch equal 41. If you see there ID 4 and ID 6 is batch 41. I don't want to see also batch 41. Those who are batch 41 I do not want to see. Now I will execute this statement to check. Here the following SQL statement selects all fields student or columns where batch is not 42 and not 41. I am also using AND operator to multiple condition to use multiple condition. I am now executing this one. See, I am not saying 41 also. 42 and 41 is missing because I do not want to see those who are batch 42 and batch 41. If you select only this statement, you can see that 42 and 42 ID number 5 and ID number 3 and 41 ID number 4 and ID number 6 is 41. 42 will be cancelled, 41 will be cancelled, 42 will be cancelled, 41 will be cancelled. As I am using this condition, not batch equal 42 and not batch equal 41, it will cancel batch ID number 3, ID number 4, ID number 5, and ID number 6. If we execute this statement where not batch equal 42 and not batch equal 41. I am again selecting this statement to see you check. 40 and 43, 42 and 41 I do not want to see. I hope that you understand how to use not operator, or sometimes called not condition. Thank you for watching this video.